Hey friends, if you wish to take a screenshot in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. The first procedure is through control print screen. Okay, so I will press control and print screen together. Then I will search for paint and I'll open paint or any other application which allows you to copy and paste. And then I will paste it here, and here's a screenshot. I can edit it accordingly. The second method is through the sniping tool. So I'll search for sniping tool, and this allows me a lot more flexibility. I'll click on new and I'll select the portion for which I need the screenshot. Okay, it's an excellent tool. And the third one is through third-party tools like ShareX, Lightshot, GreenShot. I've shared about them here, but I use ShareX, so I will show you ShareX. It is also very easy. Okay, and then click on install, and it will take a while to install on your system. Once it installs on your system, you can open it. This also allows you to create designs on your screenshot, and allows you to add arrows, and allows you to add squares and share it easily. So click on open, and then you can use it to take a screenshot. Okay, once it is open, you can simply press control and print screen, and now you can take a print screen of a certain area, and this will also open in ShareX. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.